are going to do glass and water. First, take a tissue paper, put it on a plastic plate. Then put some water on the tissue paper. Then take a paper, put it on, fire it, and put it in the cup fastly and put it down like this. Then I'll tell you the explanation. The extra air molecules were reduced by the fire. So the fire used some air molecules to light up, and there were a low number of air molecules. This is called it is also called as low pressure. Outside we have high pressure because a high pressure has so many air molecules. The high pressure goes to low pressure. So if the high pressure molecules were trying to get into the cup, now we are going to try lifting the tumbler. Now let's try lifting the cup. See, the high pressure around us lift the cup and plate. So that's how the plate lifts like this.